Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. Today, we are going to discuss about a new chapter that is deep water. And in previous lecture, we have discussed about the common parts of for this, and now we are going to discuss about the textual part of deep water. About the author, who is the author of this chapter? That is William Douglas. And when he was born, William Douglas was born in 1898 and died in 1980, and was born in Manny, Minnesota. After graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in English and Economics, he spent 2 years teaching high school in Yakima. However, he got tired of this and decided to pursue a legal career because he was not interested in the same. He met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and became an advisor and friend to the president. Douglas was a leading advocate of individual rights. Which type of advocate was he? He was just leading advocate of individual rights. He retired in 1975 with the term lasting 36 years and remained the longest serving justice in the history of the court. The following excerpt means छोटा सा part, निकला हुआ एक छोटा सा part. Deep Water is a novel, but we are going to discuss about a short experience. Okay, and here is the following excerpt is taken from Of Men and Mountains by William O. Douglas. What's the name of the complete novel? Of Men and Mountains. It reveals how, as a young boy, William Douglas nearly drowned in a swimming pool. How was his experience at the swimming pool? Okay, in this essay, he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcame it. Which type of fear he was having? How he overcame that fear. Notice how the autobiographical part of the selection is used to support his discussion of fear. Okay, which type of things are there? And here are the words and expressions. Those are very much important, and I'm gonna share with you also after this lecture. You all are supposed to write first, and after that, listen the video. Okay. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. What happened? It happened when I was only 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. What I decided to learn to swim? There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity, and there was a pool also. Where was the pool? At the YMCA in Yakima. The Yakima river was treacherous. That was very vast. Okay, बहुत बड़ी थी. Mother continued warned against it, and even my mother also warned me many times and kept fresh in my mind that details of each drowning in the river. Even my mother told me about each and every drowning that earlier happened in the river, in the Yakima river. But the YMCA pool was safe. YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and it was only how much deep it was? 2 or 3 feet deep, while it was 9 feet deep at the other. Two side of pool are always there. One is always deeper, like this. If it is swimming pool, okay. So height, and this one is the surface area. It one is the surface area, no? So what it is? What's the height for this? Mean to say ki height or this is like this. It's going to be increasing. Okay, and while the drop was gradual. Okay, धीरे धीरे होना था. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. What I bought? A pair of water wings and I went to the pool. I hated to walk. This one, dear student, this one is the picture for the Yakima river, that which type of things were there. Okay, you can just see in the picture also. Columbia River in eastern Washington, USA. The state is named after the indigenous Yakama peoples. Okay, it's a sketch map, not to scale. Okay, आई डिड नॉट लव टू मीन टू से मूव नेक्ड. मुझे ऐसे स्किनी लेग्स के साथ चलना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. शो माई स्किनी लेग्स, मेरी पतली पतली टांगे दिखाना. बट आई सबड्यूड माई प्राइड एंड डिड इट. But I just control my emotions. I just subdued it. I just, with the great determination, I just walk like this only. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग आई जस्ट थिंक कि इट्स जस्ट हेजिटेटिंग मी, इट्स जस्ट मेरा दम घुट रहा है, लेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन आई एम गेटिंग. दिस स्टार्टेड व्हेन आई वाज 3 or 4 years old. When started, when that phobia comes to me when I was only 3 or 4 year old. And father took me to the beach in California. And my father took me to the beach that is in California. He and I stood together in the surf. We were at the beach side together. I hung on to him. मैं उनकी गोदी में था. Yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. What happened to me? Wave comes, knocked me down and just swept over me. I was buried in water. मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं पानी में दब चुका था. My breath was gone. मेरी सांस जा चुकी थी. I was frightened, full of afraid I was. Father laughed. My father was laughing. But there was the terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the wave. But what? My father was laughing. But what happening to me? I was just filled with terror. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fear. And even very unpleasant memories were also there to me. Just let's see now what happened to me at the last only. And even my childish fear was also in my heart. But in the little while I gathered confidence. But when I get confidence, I paddled with my new water wings. I just started paddling, watching the other boys and trying to learn by apping them. Apping mean to say imitating them. I just try to imitate them and I just try to copy them. I did this 2 or 3 times on different days and was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened. Okay, what happened to me? I was feeling easy. When I was just copying them just in the beginning, I feel ease. I went to the pool when no one else was there. Then I just get the confidence to just go on the pool when no one there. The place was quiet. The place was full of peace. The water was still. पानी शांत था, रुका हुआ था. And the tiled bottom was as white as clean as a bathtub. As in the bathtub it is clean. The same mean to say कि same bottom of the pool was also looking like same. I was timid about going in the alone. Firstly, I was just timid. I was thinking. So I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. Okay, because at the very first now I was just feeling very sad to go. I was not having the so much courage to go there. So what happened? I just wait for the others. I had not been there long when in came a big bruiser of a boy. मीन टू से बड़ा सा बॉडी बिल्डर लड़का आया, probably 18 years old. मुश्किल से 18 सालों का होगा शायद. He had thick hair on his chest. Even on the chest also he was having the hair. He was a beautiful physical specimen. Mean to say, if you want to see bodyguard, mean to say chalta firta bodyguard, so you can just see him with legs and arms that showed rippling muscles. Rippling mean to say ubri hui muscles. He yelled. What he yelled means उसने बोला, hi skinny, how do you like to be dubbed? कैसे डूबना पसंद करोगे? With that, even after this line he did not say anything. He picked me up, ऐसे उठाया, tossed me into the deep end. जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि 2 एंड थे और उसने क्या किया, डीप एंड में उसको डाल दिया. I landed in a sitting position because I was sitting and I landed in the sitting position only. Swallowed water, पानी निगलता गया मैं. And went at once to the bottom. एकदम से bottom में गया. I was frightened. I was full of afraid, full of fear, but not yet frightened out of my wits. But even I was not trying for the wits. Wits means intelligence. On the way down, when I was just going down, I planned. When my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump. When my feet is going to fit the bottom, I will make a jump and come to the surface, lie flat on it and paddle to the edge of the pool. What I'll do? It seemed a long way down. It was looking easy, but it was not so much easy. Those 9 feet were more like 90 because I was not able to do no. So 9 feet were looking like 90 feet. And before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. मेरे तो लंग्स ऐसे लगे जैसे फट जाएंगे लंग्स. बट वेन आई फीट हिट बॉटम, आई समंड ऑल माई स्ट्रेंथ. आई जस्ट डू ऑल माई स्ट्रेंथ. आई समंड मीन टू से मैंने पूरी एनर्जी लगा दी एंड मेड वॉट आई थॉट वॉज अ ग्रेट स्प्रिंग अपवर्ड्स एंड लाइक अ ग्रेट स्प्रिंग लाइक दिस. आई इमेजिन आई वुड बॉब टू द सर्फेस लाइक अ कॉक. जैसे एक ढक्कन आता ना कि मुझे लग रहा था कि जैसे मैं वैसे ही चला जाऊंगा. इंस्टेड आई केम अप स्लोली. मैं धीरे धीरे आया. आई ओपन माई आईज एंड सा नथिंग. आई ओपन माई आईज एंड आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू सी एनीथिंग. वॉट आई कैन सी water only. Water that had a dirty yellow tint to it. एंड वॉट वॉज देयर, लाइक अ काई, येलो येलो कलर का था. आई ग्रीव पैनिकली, मैं बहुत उदास था, मैं थोड़ा ऊपर उठा. आई रीच्ड अप एज इफ टू ग्रैब अ रॉप एंड माई हैंड्स क्लच्ड ओनली एट वाटर. आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ग्रैब मीन टू से पकड़ने, एक रस्सी पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था, बट आई वॉज क्लचिंग ओनली द वाटर. वॉट आई वॉज एबल टू हैंडल, वाटर ओनली. आई वॉज सफोकेटिंग, मेरा दम घुट रहा था. आई ट्राई टू येल, मैंने बोलने की कोशिश की, बट नो साउंड केम आउट. येल मीन टू से स्पीक. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. And what happened at that moment? My eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. Only eyes and nose from here only. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. And from here, we will just do in the next lecture. Bye bye.